Very good morning, friends. Not only in index, you could have traded in commodities. I've taken an example of gold mini futures as well as the silver mini futures. With my rolling pivot reversal magic and episodic pivot indicator, how you could have made quite a good sum of money if you would have held through this. So, for example, on the gold, if you see on gold, I am on the daily chart on 26th, 11th. Last month, episodic pivot has been triggered around 125. You can see over there 125465. 125674. So when the episodic pivots, both the episodic pivots, bearish and bullish, has been triggered, it is noteworthy because the both are triggered, both the volumes on the bearish side and bullish side has been triggered. Then you are going to mark this 125674, 125674 and 125. I have already marked this 125465. So with the rolling pivot, you can see clearly the market was in uptrend. So without any confusion, you could have gone on the longer side. You could have taken position in the gold. For example, 1,25,465. Today it is running at 1,32,684. You can see over there how much it has increased. 1,25,000 to 1,32,000. So almost 7 lakhs it has increased. Sorry for that. It has increased so much, and the lot size of this gold mini future is 10 grams. For the money required for this is 1.2 lakhs or 1.3 lakhs. If you have that money, the brokerage firms will give you margin money or the total money needed for that. You can buy and hold this contract continuously throughout. See, from 27th to 11th, I don't know when it is going to expire. I'm not very sure about it. But if you make an Google it out, or you can find out when it is going to expire. From the last month, 27th to here till 9th, 11th of this month, the gold has appreciated. If I take the measured move, it has appreciated 4823. With the one lot of this one, you could have made 48,000 in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Within 9 days of your investment to 1,23,000, you could have made 48,000. Suppose if you would have held throughout, continued, another episodic pivot was formed. Let me change it to the hourly. Then you will see another episodic pivot formed on 12th. You can see another episodic pivot formed on 12th, bullish and bearish. Together it has formed 131011. The market has moved higher from this level, and with the episodic pivot, you can see over here. With the episodic pivot, you could have taken only after making an high, it has retested and regained, and it is trading within this range. The market is within this range. We need to see what sort of episodic pivot will be. So now at present, it is whatever it is going on a range of 1, 3, 133,605 to 131,011. As long as the market holds this level, 131,007 or 1,347, you can track the market and you can hold the gold. After the episodic pivot, the gold has run up so much. Same thing. Let me take you to the silver futures. Silver also you can trade. Silver mini futures. Silver mini future. Forex in all. I'll put all. Silver mini future. Leave it. I will go there. I'll go to my silver. Silver mini future. Even on the silver mini future, episodic pivot was triggered on same day, 26th and 27th. You can see the 1,66,671 here. I've already marked. So from that day, the silver has now at present you can see 204,264. 204,264. It was triggered 1,65,584. That was the episodic pivot. From there, market has run up. So the lot size of silver mini future is 5. So 5 grams. You can imagine, let me take you from there to here, 29,768. The appreciation is 35. 38. Exactly, it is coming to 36. Let me take the calculator. 36,000 on an average into multiplied by 5, you could have made 1,80,000 in silver. 1,80,000 in silver, you could have the amount needed for the silver mini future is little bit more. I think you need to have 2 lakhs for that. For the 2 lakhs of investment, you could have made 1,80,000. So with the help of this episodic pivot, you will get an idea how this call writers or put writers have been triggered. High volume has been triggered by noting down the high volume episodic pivot, and with my rolling pivot you can see rolling pivot is continuously is bullish. So episodic pivot, when it has been triggered, you are marking those levels, and when the price starts moving above that, you are holding the position, keeping this as a guideline and the stop loss, you can take the trade. Even otherwise, you can see the price, this is the balance line. You can keep this as 157,170 as your stop loss, and you can you could have holded the position continuously like an investment. You could have done that. So commodities, if you have money, a little bit more money, you can make lot of money with the episode pivot and rolling pivot reversal magic. So friends, if you want, this is a very beautiful indicator customized by me, and this type of indicator is not at all available on the entire universe of community script in TradingView. This is the only one indicator which I have created. Thank you. Thank you very much, friends. If you want to get access to this indicator, you have to message me, WhatsApp me on 98452 9600. 98452, it is a paid indicator. When you WhatsApp me, you will get the details of the indicator and how to access and what is the cost of this indicator. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.